So how a break limit zone gets created, how to trade it, how to plot it, that is what we are going to learn now. So price is moving up, as you can see, then it came down, created a small support, then again price moved up, came down, and from another support got created, price moved up again, and then again price came down slowly and created a major support. Okay, 2 times price has tested this support and moved up, so this is a major support which got created in the chart. So once the major support got created, price thereafter fall down and price again moved up, again came down near to the SR and dropped down. By this, a break limit zone got created. As you can see, the base candle of the break limit zone, the drop base drop, has been created when the support got broken. So this is an ideal place to be shorted, and this is how we plot it, and thereafter we wait for price to return to the break limit zone, and then only we take the trade. So let's enjoy how this trade worked. Now we have got the fill. We are into this trade. Price moved up deep inside the zone, moved up further, almost near to our stop loss, and then it started reacted. It came down and slowly it went down towards our target. So this is how we trade a break limit zone.